Good morning and welcome to a bit of revision on how to find the equation of a line, and this has been especially requested by Grace. Thank you, Grace. Right, we are given 2 points. 4, 17 and 7, 26. We're going to try and find the equation of a line which passes through those 2 points. And then in the second video, I'm going to talk about how to find a perpendicular line to the line we're going to find using these 2 points. Right, the first thing we need to do then is work out the gradient. And the gradient, which is given the letter m, is found by substituting values into this equation. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I'm going to colour the points, so the coordinates, so that we can, work out where they are. So the y coordinates, these are the y coordinates, that's y1, and this is y2. I'm going to substitute that in a minute. And then the x coordinates, I'm hoping this is showing up here. The x coordinates, I'm going to colour in orange, and they're going to go on the bottom here. And my gradient I'm going to have in purple, so when we go on and use it in a minute, we'll be able to keep track of where that is. Okay, so let's substitute these values in. y2, the second coordinate, the second point y coordinate is 26. Take away y1, which is 17, all divided by x2, the second x coordinate, which is 7, take away 4, the first x coordinate. I suggest that you write it out in its entirety, because if any of your coordinates have negative signs, then it could be that you have a minus situation, and then if you've written it out like this fully, you'll be able to identify that immediately and make sure that you deal with the signs accordingly. So let's do the subtractions. This is 9, this is 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that means that that is m, which is the gradient of the line which goes through these 2 points. Okay, so m is 3, m is 3. Now, when we are trying to find the equation of the line, we need to use another formula, and it looks like this. Equation of a line. Y minus y1 is equal to m brackets x minus x1. Now let me use my colours again. I've got the gradient, which is the purpley bit. I've got the x values, which I have got in orange, so this is x1, and then my y1, which is going to be in green. Substitute in the values I have been given. Y minus 17 is equal to 3 brackets x minus 4. And from here, we can now tidy things up, multiply out brackets, and make sure that we just get y on its own, so it looks like y equals mx plus c, the equation of a straight line. Y on its own, the gradient times x, and the y-axis intercept. So multiplying out the bracket, first of all, y minus 17 remains the same, and this is 3x minus 3 fours are 12. Okay. Solving equations to get the y just on its own, we add 17 to both sides. Y is equal to 3x minus 12 plus 17 is plus 5. And that is the equation of a straight line which goes through the points 4, 17 and goes through 7, 26. Okay, so just to reiterate, 2 points. The gradient is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Put your numbers in, work out a value for the gradient. It could be a positive integer like it is here. It could be a negative integer. It could also be a positive or a negative fraction. It's probably best to work in fractions rather than decimals when you're thinking about the gradient. Once you have found the gradient, you then need to substitute your values of the gradient and one of the points. I'd use x1, y1. It will work if you do the other point. One of the points in the gradient, substitute it in, multiply out the brackets, and then get the y on it saying to get the final equation of the straight line. Hope that helps, and I'm just going to follow this up with another little video about a perpendicular line and using the same points and the same gradient. Okay, thank you.